lastly, achọrọ m ikwu okwu banyere akwa ọkụkọ nwanne m. Akwa onye ọgwụ. Unu ga-asị na a na-agba akwa mgbe okpuru. Na ndị ọdịnala dị divided. Support him. Shut up. What do you know? For the fact that a lot of us are ekwu okwu right now, atụ akwa aka. Ọbụla ya bụ na ọgwụ ya ji anyị dum. Ọbụla ya bụ na anyị were guard for any Igbo ọgwụ. Kama na ọbụla ife dum ị chọrọ ikwu ka ị ga-ekwu. Ọbụla ebe dum ị chọrọ ịga ka ị ga-aga. O nwere okwu bụ ị chọrọ ikwu, ịma na ịma nkụkpọtachawa okwu a etu o si wee dịgo n'obi. Edoke afọ maka igba onwe gị egbe n'ụkwụ ịgbakwa nkịtị. Ị na-ene n'anya mana ịma nke bụ eziokwu. Hoping that na Okeke, Okafọ, Okonkwọ na Okorie ma nke bụ eziokwu. Like I said, if I'm doing use akwa for this example because no ya wabugodi nke mụ na gị mma n'ilu akwụkwọ anụwa amidst thousands of others chestela ọgụ. O nwere ike ọ tụọ gị n'ọnụ na ọ bụrụ na m gwa gị na ọ dịlọ possible mmadụ ịgwọ 5,000 pots ya na ha ebiri. Ọ dịlọ possible mmadụ ịgwọ 5,000 pots. Let me explain something. Ịgwọ ọgwụ bụ imepe a spiritual portal. That explosion na happen na science reaction when it is ịgwọ ọgwụ that is involved is even worse because you have opened a spiritual portal for an entity to manifest in this dimension. That is an entity nke nọ n'owie. Ọ bụrụ ndị ụka fasị gị na demon na ịkpọpụtachiri demon n'ụwa ọ na iyelu demon link faji abịa. Do you understand? You have opened a portal. Ọ bụrụ na agwọrọ gị ọgwụ malụ that na an entity was conjured for your sake for faster manifestation. Do you understand? For faster manifestation. O nwere ike ọ bụrụ na imego nke a mee nke anọ osise ka ịgwọ ya n'ọgwụ. Ịgwọ ọgwụ means that for some reasons you have decided to by force nature. You have decided to by force powers above and powers below to bring to manifestation a particular thing, maybe money or whatsoever. Hence, ịgwọ ọgwụ. Mbosi bulugbo ndị Igbo na-agwọ ọgwụ. But what brings about this ịgwọ ọgwụ? Let's assume we are preparing for a war. Let's assume we want to keep Akwa safe. In order to keep Akwa safe so that Aya na Anu will not be able to penetrate the people of Akwa, nwoke na ụmụ nwanyị Akwa eje gwọ ọgwụ. No, nwoke is basically nwoke thing. Whatever material they source and use, thereby inviting, opening a portal for an entity for that particular thing, for the safety of the village people, for the safety of India Bugo. You understand? So that in that Bugo we go to this war and come back safely, so that we shall not be defeated. And Egwogu is a spiritual, a conjure spiritually, expecting a certain result. You understand? Now, here is the biggest problem with Egwogu is that entity. Have you sent it back? Have you sent that thing a conjure? This is 30% of Igbo problem now. We continue going to a gala. We continue going to different places to conjure something. After conjuring, whether a favor sought or not, at some point we are tired and we say spoil. How can it be spoiled? Have you sent that entity back to the portal where you invoked it, invited it, or harnessed it, or conjured it from? So where is it now? You have brought it into the earth. It's hovering upon the surface of the earth, causing chaos, causing havoc. That is what Egwogu is. Note, I'm still in Egwogu na Boa community something. or na this my generation can for that na igwo ọgwụ bụ individual ka emelu gị ibubo ọgwụ na ebe m si bụ a community charm for war. It's simple. It's not for you. All right. So those things you have conjured out, where is it now? They are hovering upon the surface of the earth and causing trouble. All right. Now, sometimes after this igwo, the physical reaction, when done well, is always all mad. Yes, or ajunatali ofihi. O welu nke ọ ga-abịa emesịrị gị iburu ya na dibịa ma nkwe ezigbo dibịa na let me tell you, it's not possible. Dibịa na-agwọrọ gị ọgwụ dobelu 5,000 pounds na bịa na-agba ya video. It is you who thinks those are juju. Those are not. Ọ bụrụ na ezigbo dibịa na-agwọ ezigbo ọgwụ ma ife ọ na-eme mesịrị gị ife oburu ya buye gị si gị naba. Ọ bụrụ na iburu ọgwụ ahụ na nwa ga-ada ahụ, ọ bụrụ na return na data ọgwụ right on time, onye nke ahụ agago. Ọ bụrụ na iburu ọgwụ ahụ na ị ga-ama ngagharị, you may encounter things like ngagharị. Why do so many people gwọrọ ezigbo ọgwụ nke a na-afụ anya encounter ihe ngagharị? Back to what I say, that you have opened a portal for an entity, thereby conjuring it into physical manifestation, bringing from another dimension an entity into this dimension, and the reaction is bizarre. The action is nothing to write home about. It's not something you want. So Igbo is not healthy. Why Igbo in an Igbo is mbana philosophy game. Mbana philosophy game. Kaya halili ai. Mbana philosophy game ezinụlọ. And sometimes all of this ogu is for temporal purposes, and a lot of our ancestors that told that direction, they regret it. It hurts them. It hurts their pride. They don't like it, and if they were to be in the present, they won't go that direction again because nothing common. It has never been beneficial. Do you understand? So before you go through Igbo, hear me today. Ogu, somebody will 5,000 pots. Somebody will 5,000 pots or 5,000 different clients living with that person. That person cannot enter the agajubu that person. That person cannot penetrate his house. You have 10,000 pots, and let's say 10% of it is active. Your wife will not, your wife get also of kata manifestation. Your children will not survive in that duress environment. Do you understand? Your mother, your father, is waste of time. You self, because you will not have no drag. You will not understand. You will not understand. They are no kumbema na he kwo no chimbema na ha church no ngahari mbema na ha agahari no akumaka mbema na ha mbomazi na anolo. You can have different things in a place where they kept 5,000 active pots. Let's say 100 active pots conjured. You don't want to live in such place. Dibias do not live in such place. In case there is someone beseeching you or urging you that no boke dibia, hence yana so and so things be. Hold me by my words. That's false. That's false doctrine. Do you understand? We don't hate Akwa Okuko. Should we not tell him the truth? Because a lot of people, that's why you tell them the truth, That's why you tell them the truth. Least some people think that are deceiving everybody. You understand? Some people think that nobody faji now the whole crowd, the whole public from penetrating. Least it cover your own eye. It cannot cover my own eye. Original ogu bu n'ime ofia ka na akwuri ihe. A na ewepu away from ebe ndị mmadụ no. Original ogu ahụ ebi na be mmadụ. Nke bi na be mmadụ ọha ebi na be dibia. Ogu n'ọlụ dị very active. Ka igboru bịa kpoo mbe dibia. Kedu iko dibia ahụ ga-eji wee wụọ mmiri tọgbu iko. Ị chọrọ ka etigbuo ya bụ dibia. Ị ga-eji wee hanes gide na-eji hanes ọha ka different 5,000, 10,000, 15,000 different posts for different people, and you are living with it as what? You are human after all. Hello? You are human soul after all. It's not possible. Either is in the bush. Okay, if log one day and no for na Facebook. On a make exist. Either is in the bush. You okay? You keep it in the bush. You keep it in that bush. Away from human harm. From time immemorial, it is believed that it causes human harm. It causes humanity harm. Hence the bush. How come we are living with it now? Let's pretend again. To the bright side. I hope you all understand what I meant. I hope, because my purpose is not to go to war. You understand? Do you understand? So after now, I will be throwing more light on different kinds of ogo and the different kinds of energy behind it. All right. We must shake that table. And we must break that table. We have looked at the church for a very, very long time. It's time for us to look at tradition. It's time to look at Ndoku Ndise no Kwai the Kokwano. Making it look as Ogu is the reason for tradition. No, it was not from time immemorial. You understand? Break the table and break let's not go there. I said that juju is a controlling things that brings an entity. So where are those entities? Kedifena cause all this or won't cause. Where are those entities? How do you send them back? Knowing how to bring is okay. So when you are done with the job, how do you send them back? Where are those entities right now? Where are those entities right now, loitering around on the surface of the earth, wandering and causing serious havoc? You understand? It to human race, those we are bound to protect by oath. Dalon.